The Cloud Bunny from the Nizhny Novgorod Carnival factory is a character who looks as airy as a cloud. The suit is light, does not constrain movements, and fits perfectly with a height of up to 185 centimeters. The interior space is designed for comfort, soft materials, comfortable cut, and loose fit. The set includes a head, long-sleeve pants, gloves, and soft shoes with a rubberized sole. Each seam undergoes a 3-stage quality control of the OTC, so the suit retains its shape and appearance even after many events. The bunny will fit perfectly into children's matinees, photo shoots, fantasy holidays, and city events. It evokes smiles and creates the atmosphere of a fairy tale. Production in Russia, production time from 14 days. When ordering from 3 units, individual prices and conditions apply. We ship all over Russia and to more than 160 countries of the world. Do you want a selection of similar characters or a calculation of the cost of your project? Contacts for video, write or call right now.